Today on this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make delicious chiles rellenos. This is a traditional Mexican plate. They're called chiles rellenos because they're stuffed. You can stuff them with a lot of things. You can stuff them with cheese, with potatoes, people add meat, shrimp. There's a variety of things you can stuff them with, and they're delicious. Today, I'm gonna be stuffing them with queso panela. So let me show you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. The ingredients for the chile rellenos are 4 poblano peppers, some eggs, it's usually 1 egg per chile, 1/4 of a white onion, 2 garlic cloves, 6 roma tomatoes, 1 jalapeño, and 1 serrano peppers, queso panela, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 3 tablespoons of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Okay, we're gonna start off by grilling our chiles. I just like to do it like this, directly on the stove. Other people like to do it on a skillet, or on the oven, whatever's easiest for you. For me, I like this. For me, this is easier. And I just start turning them. As you can see, they're almost ready. This is what you're looking for. This is how all the whole chile should look. Look, this one is ready. So now it's just gonna go in a plastic bag. This is where I put them so they can start sweating, and then we seal it up. We're gonna leave them in here for about 10 minutes. Once they're in there for like 10 minutes, the skin comes off easier. All right, while we're waiting on our chiles, we're gonna start working on our salsa. This is the 6 roma tomatoes, the jalapeño, and the serrano, 2 garlic cloves, the chicken bouillon, the 1/4 of an onion. We're gonna add some water. It's been 10 minutes with the chiles in the bag, and now it's time to start cleaning them. As you can see, if you go just like this, the skin falls right off. See how much easier it makes it to clean? So we're gonna do that to all the chiles. Just make sure that you don't do it very hard because sometimes they break. This is how it should look once all the skin is off. And after this, what I do is I'll cut off this part right here. Some people like to leave it in. And then what I do, just to get out the seeds, I'll use a spoon and then I'll just throw out the seeds. Because just when I was peeling them, I can already tell that some of them are super spicy because mis manos están todas enchiladas ya. My hands are already burning. I'm gonna cut the cheese. This is what I usually do. I'll cut it this way. I grab chile by chile and we add 2 slices. And we'll just do like that for each of the chiles. This is where we're gonna use our flour. You're not gonna use all of it, but it's just to sprinkle the chiles with some flour on both sides, because this is how we're gonna make sure that the egg sticks to the chile, because otherwise it just falls right off. Pan with oil, I set it to medium heat, because this is where we're gonna fry the chile rellenos. We're gonna start off by separating the egg whites and the yolk. And don't get rid of the egg yolk, guys, because we're gonna be using it in a little bit once we fluff up the egg whites. And remember what I said earlier, that it's 1 egg per chile. So we're gonna start beating the eggs. We're just gonna beat them on high. This is how the egg should look, guys. This is just the egg whites, remember? We're gonna add salt and the egg yolks. You're gonna beat it again, but not as much as earlier. You just want it mixed enough where the yolks are very well mixed in there. We don't wanna overbeat it because then the egg is gonna get flat, and that's how it should look. All right, so what I do in order to see if the oil is ready, I'll put a little bit of egg just to see how hot it is, and it should be ready to put in the chiles. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab each chile, dip it into the egg batter, and then just put it in there. And we're gonna do the exact same thing for the rest of the chiles. This is how it should look, guys. Fluffy. And now we transfer it into the plate. And this is how our chiles should look. Nice and fluffy. And we keep going until we finish all the chiles. We are done frying the chiles. And now we're gonna set them to the side because we're gonna prepare the salsa. So this is the last part for the chiles. We add a tablespoon of oil to a hot skillet and add the salsa because we need to simmer it. This is where you can try the salsa to see if you need more salt or more chicken bouillon, whatever you want, but for me it's perfect. So we'll just let it boil and simmer for a little bit. The sauce is ready, ya está lista la salsa. And now time to throw in our chiles. Miren qué delicioso se mira. Yeah. We'll just let it boil for about a minute or two and they're ready to serve. Ahora sí, a probar. Moment of truth. They smell delicious. Con arrocito y tortillas, perfect. Ahora sí. A probar se ha dicho. ¿Por qué?
Me dejas un poco.
El hambre está canija. Oh, espérame. Déjale echo salsa. This sauce, guys, I made on a previous video, so go check it out. As well as the rice. Go and check them out and see if you like it. Cheers. Te van a gustar.
Me hace agua la boca. ¿Te lo vas a acabar?
Déjame disfrutar. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you try this recipe, and if you do, please don't forget to tag me on my social medias. And if you have any requests of any recipe you'd like to try, let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to do it. But if you're new to our channel, please subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.